Santa Claus, dude. You heard of Santa Claus?
Oh, yeah.
I'm the real deal. I'm
the real Santa Claus, dude.
Santa 10X. You a bad man. And I love that about you. Yeah, we're gonna go rock this place. Hey, next time you guys get a chance to do something with me, don't come up with reasons not to do it. It's so dumb. You guys, you spend more time and energy and money on figuring out how not to do something with me than how to have an experience that you can't get rid of. Like, you do 3 days with me, I promise you, you will never get it off of you. You got a better chance of curing yourself from some incurable disease. I'm telling you, you can't get over what I do to you. What my people do to you, our partners, man. I'm talking life-changing. That man right here, he's been in this space. Is your life changed, man? That's right. Say it again, man. You don't know what you can do until you do it, man. Like, and this is proven out in athletics, it proved out in the arts. You know, you don't know what you can do until you do it. The more I do, the more I realize I can do more. It's like commit and then do it. Like, I have built this muscle. Once I commit to do something, it doesn't matter what it is. You know, when I was 25 and I quit using drugs, it's like when I finally quit and I could put a couple days together, it was all over. I guarantee you 10 or 15 years from now, I'm gonna be like, damn, I still underestimated what I could do. People should just think about, what would it take if I didn't give up on my dreams? I think a lot of people are just giving up on their dreams before they even really identify what is the right dream to have.
Where's Grant at?
See that? All right, check it out. Y'all having fun? Okay, I want to tell you a story. Bring my bag down. Hey, big hand for the police. Big hand for the police. Thank you, man. So look, when I grew up, my first failure happened in a baseball park. I had a dream that I would be a professional baseball player. And I lost that dream to drugs. You guys, don't give up on your dreams. Okay, don't give up on your dreams. This thing I'm doing for you, I'm not here to jack you up. I'm not here to get you excited. I'm here to be an example. I'm not your friend. I'm your Uncle G. And when I was growing up, whoa, don't close your eyes when you're trying to catch something. Square up, keep your eyes open. I needed an uncle so bad after my dad died. I needed a man in my life. I don't know how much time I have on this planet, but I want to spend it helping you. I don't know you by name yet, but I want to. I want to participate in everyone here making it to that stage. If you want to. When I tell you I'm going to sell something out, I sell it out. If you want to do better, you have to put your money, your energy, where your commitment is. I want to help you, okay? Francisco, help me throw some of this. Hey, one other thing. I want you back next year. Who's coming back next year? I could give it to you for free.